Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the essentials: the certificate PDF or link, the exact certificate name, the issuer listed as Google, and the credential ID. Once done, open LinkedIn and navigate to your profile, then Licenses and Certifications. Make sure you're logged into the account you want the certificate on. If you have a URL for verification, copy it now. This prevents interruptions mid-entry and reduces errors when you fill the fields in the next step. Now you'll add the certificate fields precisely. Click Add a License or Certification, paste the exact certificate name, and choose Google as the issuing organization. Next, enter the credential ID and paste the verification URL if available. This lets employers click through. Select the issued month and year. Uncheck expiration only if the cert is perpetual. Double-check spelling and links since small typos break verification. Save the entry, and you'll see it listed under Licenses and Certifications on your profile. Finish by viewing your public profile to confirm the certificate displays correctly and the link opens. If the verification link returns an error, recheck the credential URL, the issuing organization's exact name, and the credential ID for typos. These are the most common issues. If problems persist, clear your browser cache or try a different browser, and contact Google support for certificate verification issues. Make sure you're linked in profile privacy settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.